This is Pooja Mishra. I'm the founder of Gurukul Public School and also an alumnus of IIM Calcutta. I graduated in 2012 and opted out of the placement process to start the school for the underserved community in this village. And here at Gurukul, our aim is to provide holistic and world-class education accessible to the most underserved children irrespective of their social economic backgrounds so that they develop into confident, compassionate and responsible citizens of tomorrow who are at par with the best in the world. So that is what we want to create at Gurukul, and so that the education is not just accessible to the elites, to the people who can afford it, but is same kind of education is accessible to the children whose parents are not in a position to afford that kind of education. So we started with just 23 children in 2012 with 4 classrooms, and now I am happy to share that we have, I'll show you my school, and we have more than 30 classrooms with separate science labs, physics, chemistry, maths, bio, maths labs, library with more than 3,000 books, and everything, computer lab and everything that a child needs for holistic education. And in this line, what we are planning to do is to revamp the pre-primary section of our school, because over the years I have realized that this is the foundation of our school system. So if a child's foundation is strong is in these initial years of his life, then he usually tends to excel even in the middle and senior school as well. So as you can see, this is the school that we have, and I will also show you the nursery classroom, the LKG classrooms that we have. And if you see, they are very basic right now with a simple furniture, and many a times it's not child friendly, we feel, because many a times I have seen children standing and doing their work because they can't sit properly on these. And this is our nursery classroom. As you can see, this is what it is. And so what we plan to do is make it into a bright, cheery place which the children will look forward to come to school, and change the flooring. Right now it's just basic cement flooring. With this kind of furniture, we want to make have a setup of furniture which is group centric, where children can sit in a group of 4 to 6 students, 4 to 8 students, have a story kind of learning center, story segment as well, where children have their library space. Usually what happens is, this is the LKG classroom, and usually what happens is that children find it difficult to go to our main library, so it's important that they have a small set of 15-20 books in the classroom which the teacher can read out to them. So in this regard, we have started this campaign, and we have started this campaign, and I'm looking for your support to help us raise funds and revamp these 5 classrooms, so that these children who do not have any kind of support at home get the exposure of a good school and a good learning environment, a holistic environment which is inclusive, equitable and at par with any other school in the world. Thank you so much.